Hi, I'm Joshua Hoots. I'm the product manager for heating here at Hayward. I work out of our Clemens, North Carolina facility. I'm excited to introduce the new Universal HC Series gas heater that you just learned about in the previous clip. The Hayward Universal HC Series heater is the industry's smallest footprint heater. When you combine that ultra small footprint with its unique zero wall clearance requirement, the net result is that the Universal HC Series heater can be safely and easily installed into even the smallest and tightest pool pad spaces. Its dual fuel capability lets you easily switch from natural gas to propane and back. And the reversible top access control panel lets you access internal components without having to crouch and kneel, and that's a major plus on tight pool pads. Drop-in replacements are easy because you don't have to cut the pipes. Plus, the heater is compact and lightweight for quick and simple installation. The Cooper nickel heat exchanger comes standard for long-lasting durability. It's everything you want in a heater. Powerful, long-lasting performance that you can easily install in any backyard.